In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write text anywhere in the system for you. So what we're going to do is navigate over to AI over here on the left-hand side, and we're going to enable write text with AI. We're going to turn that on and hit save. So now, anywhere in the system I go, I can go ahead and use AI to write text for me. So I'm going to go to my website as an example. And I have this text over here, and you'll see over here that I have this text setting, this AI text setting over here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say, please turn this text into a short, fun phrase about cats, not cars, cats. And yes, I am one of those people that is polite to AI, so I do say please. All right, and here we've got this result. It says, cats, the perfect blend of mischief and magic. Adorable. We could also ask it to rewrite. So we can go ahead and change our instructions, or we can simply click rewrite. And it's going to give us another one, positively enchanting furbles of fun. I actually really like that. That's very cute. So I'm going to go ahead and say use. And there we go. I've got positively enchanting furbles of fun. And that was written by AI. And I can go ahead and publish my changes. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. And there we go. But this isn't the only place that we can use that AI functionality. So let's navigate back here, and I can come here to my products, and I've got my cat hat. So I'm going to click on my cat hat, and I'm going to give the cat hat a quick description. It is a pink hat for cats. And now I want to go ahead and zhuzh that up with AI. So I'm going to click on my AI button over here, and I'm going to say, please add more fun and quirky details to this product description. And I'm going to say write. And there you go. It's given me quite a long result over here. Introducing the fabulously festive Pink Perfection cat hat. This adorable accessory is like a little crown for your feline royal. This is adorable. I love it. I'm going to use it. And there we go. We can go ahead and hit save. And so, like I said, anywhere in the system where you need to use text or want to use text, you now have that AI functionality, and the AI will go ahead and write or rewrite or rephrase whatever text it is that you're wanting to edit. So that is how you can use the AI text functionality in the system.